We are here at the Kingston Plantation. This is actually apartment or unit 2309. Give you a quick overview. Holding the door open here. You're actually checking out now. That's what the front door of your unit will look like, of course. Going to spin around and show you the unit itself. So when you walk in, widen everything up here. So you can actually see this is going to be your entrance as you walk in. This is the look of the place itself. Over to the right, this is one bedroom. You actually have two twins. Mirror on the wall. And it's me! No, just joking. Here's your closet for your second bedroom. Vacuum cleaner comes with it. A couple hangers left behind, maybe by previous tenants or whatsoever. So you do have the two twin beds. Entertainment center. Very nice on the artwork. I'd imagine the owner of the unit here is someone involved in arts, film, somewhat of that nature. Really like, very tasteful unit. Love the coloring, furniture. So this is bedroom, you could say bedroom number one. This is the first one you're going to get to, which is over on the right. You walk right around the corner out of the bedroom. Here is the first restroom, or shower room, as you would call it. No bath. You have everything there. So if you come on around, it's almost like my camera here can't get wide enough. And more of the artwork. I'm going to close the door, and so you can see the whole unit. Definitely enough space. I can get in, I can turn around, I can move around very easily. Got a little side area if you want to store anything, maybe if you're coming from an extended stay. Got a full shower area. You can turn around. It's not small, not miniature by any means. Standing in the corner, give you an overall view of it. But as you can tell, I'm moving around a lot in the facility here, and you're able to do so. So we're just going to keep it moving. Bathroom number one. Bedroom number one you've already seen. Coming back through the front door, so I'm just going to step there again. Bedroom over to the right, bathroom over to the right as well. So they will have to come out. That's the quickest one to get to for all your guests. Overview of the overall unit. So if you're standing here, you can see the dining area. And as you can tell, we left a couple of waters on the table there, but sits 8 perfectly. Have 2 more that can actually sit at the bar area here. And then you have 2 over to the side. So perfectly situated for 10 to 12 people. I would definitely not say 12. If anything at all, I would say most suitable for 6. If you have to actually bring a 7th person, definitely for them as well. So this would be your washroom, dryer, washer. Have a couple of things here. And if you are coming, the owners have definitely left behind. You have your own tent or whatsoever, their umbrella you would like to set up. They left behind that. We did happen to use the green one there, so that's very nice. We definitely thank them for that. You can see the artwork all around. You've got the dryer, you've got the washer, got a sink, anything you want to hand wash. More art, of course. This is the second door, so you can actually come through that door, or you can come through the main door as well. You can hang all your jackets and everything there. So if you wanted to bring everybody, usher everyone through here before they actually get into the main unit so they perhaps don't mess anything up, definitely a door you can do that on. Full refrigerator. And you can see the dryer. Dryer was not mounted down for some reason, but very spacious area up top here. As you can see, microwave, stove, coffee maker, toaster, all things of that nature. And notice the movement of the camera. Notice me moving around. You can definitely do that very easily throughout the units. It's very spacious. So we're going to keep right on going. If you're doing any cooking whatsoever, you will be here at the sink. You'll turn around from time to time, and you will actually go to your microwave and oven. And as you move around, just going to keep you turning here, because this is going to be your view. You can definitely see the TV, so if you're watching your favorite show while doing so, you can definitely do that and keep an eye on all your guests. So that's the kitchen area. You've got the cleaning room, bedroom 1, bathroom 1, and moving right along. More tasteful art. And we're going to make our way to the living area here. Very spacious. It was actually 8 of us, so it seated us very well. Just give you an overall view. As I mentioned before, love the coloring, love the art, leather sofa. The owner stated that she would actually like a cover on that, but we weren't able to find a cover, and it appears that someone actually may have already sat on it with their blue jeans. With the temperature being what it is, we would not have worn blue jeans, but someone had already did the little bit of the damage for us. So bedroom number 2. So we're going to stroll in here, and so there again, 2 twin-size beds in this one. Got your ceiling fan area, vaulted roofs, and closet area over on the side. So I'm going to come back and give you more of an overview of the overall room. So let's see if I can show you a little bit of your view here. This is your view from this particular bedroom. So as you can actually see here, a couple miniature houses on the outside, a couple other resorts. Not much of a view there. Closet area. Nothing spectacular about that, so we'll keep it moving. So you can see the art. Twin-size beds in this particular room. You actually have 2 windows to shed a little bit of light. Flat screens in every room, which is going to be inside of your entertainment there. Ceiling fans in every room. Very important. Very open area. Nice breeze, especially being on this particular floor. So as we make our way out, we can go to the right here and make our way out through the main room or the living area, but we're actually going to go into the bath, which is actually shared by bedrooms. You could say 2 and 3 if you would like. Cabinets. Each bath actually has their own individual closet. And for this bath, which is a little bit larger once you actually shut the doors, it's actually sectioned off. So if you have some individuals which are going to be doing their hair, makeup maybe, you have your bath shower area here. And of course your toilet for those looking to do some immediate damage. And every one of them actually had the little sitting area in the back there. So you can actually sit down if you want to treat it more as a sauna, or perhaps you're older, bad knees, bad blood circulation in the legs. You can actually do so, have a seat while taking a shower if you needed to rest whatsoever. So we're going to continue to make our way on around, closing off lights, saving energy as we do it. This is bedroom number 2. I label it number 2 simply because this is going to be your largest outside of your master bedroom. You have a queen size bed in this one, although I would say a full, more so than a queen. More tasteful art, entertainment area, extra cabinets for storage, and closet area. Every room actually has that, even the smaller room I showed you. Now I am going to go ahead and show you your view from the second room. It's actually better than the view from the master bedroom, but I'm going to show you both intertwined. Now I'm going to go ahead and unlock this because we're going to come back through later on. But that's your view from the balcony area. And if you do step out, full balcony area, very large. If you want to bring all 8 people out here, you can see the chairs. Now it doesn't stop there. It actually goes on around. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that as well. I was going to save that for last. You can see a little bit of the area you're staying around here. RVs and mobile homes, of course. Not many people were on the beach. It was a nice day. Water was ice cold. If I come on around, show you around. This goes all the way around. So we're going to walk all the way around as of right now. You can see the view off to the left. Now this one leads you back into your living area. So you can easily go into your living area, and if you needed to come out of your living area and have all of your guests experience this, you can leave the door open if you would like, let them take in the breeze. But this is your overall view. I'm going to walk back where we left off so I don't confuse you. So it's one unit. As I make my way back around, had a couple guests with me that didn't like heights, so they definitely came out, but they stayed away from the railing. Make our way back in, and back into bedroom number 2. This is the one with the full size. I don't know, that may be a queen. It's so hard to tell between a queen and a full. But this is your overall sleeping space for bedroom 2, which is going to be your queen, full. Doesn't really matter. They're both sizable for 2 people. Back to the living area. Now, before I went into bedroom 3, just remember you saw this portion of it from the dining area, also the kitchen area. And remember, ceilings, high ceilings. Ceiling fans. This is number 2. Not going to take you back out, but just a balcony area. I showed you this when I walked you around. If you did want to open this door, this would actually create a little bit more space for your guest. The sectional, as far as the seated area there, was very nice. You also had, or the owners gave us a couple other stools. Not stools, but little seated areas. I forget what they call those. You put your feet on them, but here's you get the picture. Entertainment area. You do have Wi-Fi which is free. A couple of bean bags on the floor if you had some of the small individuals that wanted to sit on those. Walking into the master bedroom now. Give you the shot as you exit out of the master bedroom into the living area. Very nicely done, very tasteful. And I'm going to spin around once more because this is where it gets rather interesting. You absolutely love this. So 1, this is the master bedroom. Ceiling fans, yes. I would say that's a California size bed rather than a king. May be wrong. So you actually have everything there. Walk you into the bath area. So we're just going to turn all this on. Halfway, huge closet area. You have your jacuzzi, bath. Of course, mirrors are everywhere. Very nice to see yourself from time to time. You never know how beautiful you are unless you take a look at yourself rather than relying on what people tell you. So as you can see, very spacious, a lot of mirrors. You can take the beauty in, you can adore yourself because perhaps if you don't, no one else will. Even while you're doing that, if you have anyone with you, tasteful art throughout the unit, they can come and handle their damage as well. Shower area. So everything is independent. You do your thing in here. I can do my makeup, hair, whatsoever out here. Of course, if I had hair, if I did wear makeup. So there again, we're going to conserve a little energy. If you didn't get a good shot there, just kind of rewind or move it back to see that. And once again, bringing you a look at Unit 2309 here at the Kingston Plantation here in Myrtle Beach. Had a great time at the beach, really enjoyed the property. So if you ever have a chance, this is a great unit to do so. You do get 2 keys and a card which lets you in and out of the pool area to get back on the resort once you actually go to the beach. But definitely a lovely place. So enjoy if you do happen to stay here. This is just a quick shot so you know exactly what you're getting. Don't have to worry about bed bugs. We were very gun shy of that, but didn't have an issue there. So let's keep it moving. And then I'm going to wind down because my party is actually waiting for me. So we're going to make our way back out and I'm going to log off, shut out, and leave you two making your own reservation. Oh, before I forget. Now, if you're naughty or if you're nice, your party, which will be staying in your master bedroom, you have your own private balcony. Yes, you can look over and see your guests if you would like, but otherwise, no one else can see you except the people that are out there and just you and your party. But very nice. This is your view from your master bedroom. You don't get the beach view like you do from the other bedroom, but all in all, just as nice if you stay to the right. All right. So they're waiting on me downstairs. I am actually going to walk you back through rather quickly. Of course, I gave you a general overview, so keep looking. Just going to make sure everything is, for the most part, locked up and turned off. If you see anything that I may have forgotten and left in the unit here, just let me know. Of course, you know, when you're coming with family, friends, things of that nature, someone always forgets something. So everything is actually locked up. We've left everything as fit, and we're going to make our way out. Kind of a second look for you here as we make our way through. So if you are coming here, definitely enjoy yourself. And hopefully this was very helpful to you. I always find it helpful because it gives you a second point of view, more of a personal up-close point of view, rather than just seeing the pictures, because anything can be sold with a picture. Always remember that. And I'm just going to give you a second look at everything. We're going to hush here, just make sure I have everything off. All right, one last slide, and I'm grabbing my bags. I'm out. Alton, tune in, subscribe to my channel so you know exactly what you're getting in your next vacation outfit or automobile. Which you probably take a look, go over a couple automobiles here and there. Thank you once again. I look forward to you tuning back, subscribing, and coming back once more to learn other additional information.